Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Genshin Impact on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Genshin Impact application on your Android device is easy. First, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet and then tap Open Play Store. Into the search box, type in Genshin Impact and search. Once you find the application, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Genshin Impact is an open-world action role-playing game developed and published by Chinese video game development company MiHoYo. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the play button to launch open Genshin Impact on your Android phone. That is how you can easily download Genshin Impact on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.